as you like. Okay? So here, for example, ha? Ano yung makikita? Okay. Example this, okay? This my friend, the heel, between the umbilicus and the xiphoid cross, which is the end, okay? So you do the abdominal thrust or what? The Heimlich maneuver, make a fist. Others, they do it like that. For me, I just do this. The most important, okay. So the first maneuver is the 5 back low. Back, it means to say you should be at the back, right? Now, yes, the patient is not breathing. Okay? So what are you going to do next? You do the compression. Okay, you do the compression. Now, how am I going to do the compression? We use the heel